This is our double Condor bass in the key of D minor. We make it out of Spanish Cedar, and it is a 6-hole flute. It does have two mouthpieces, one for the melody side and one for the drone side. So you can play a single or double. You can choose one, go back and forth really easily. And here's what it sounds like. I'll play it as a single and then as a double. Double Condor bass in the key of D minor. It has a really warm, just a wonderful, sweet voice. But we do recommend that if you're going to play a double flute, it'd be good to go ahead and have some experience playing the flutes in general. And also note that the bass flute finger holes, no matter what, they tend to be fairly large holes. So if you have small or slender fingers, it may be more challenging. But it is a beautiful flute.